doctors treat chronic acid reflux by placing a small, flexible ring of magnetic titanium beads around the lower end of the esophagus. Acid reflux happens when the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle between the esophagus and the stomach, becomes weak or opens when it shouldn't. Instead of staying tightly closed after food enters the stomach, it allows stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. This backflow of acid causes the burning sensation in the chest known as heartburn. The magnetic ring gives this muscle extra support, helping it stay closed and preventing acid from moving upward. When you swallow, the ring gently opens so food and drinks can pass into the stomach. It then closes again automatically. This treatment is called the LINX Reflux Management System. It is usually recommended for people whose acid reflux does not improve enough with medicines or lifestyle changes.